Hello and welcome to VLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 3 of Hindi 2. Topics to be covered in this session are प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य. What do you mean by प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य? It means we are going to learn about conversations. How can we converse with anybody? We have learned about speech, small phrases for greetings or exclamations that we use in our everyday life, but today we are going to learn about conversations. So let us have few conversations so that you can understand the things better. Like, first question is, what do you want? We often use this kind of question, that what do you want? Maybe we are asking somebody that if somebody wants anything, so you will ask, what do you want? In Hindi we call it as तुम क्या चाहते हो. Want is चाहना. So what is क्या? What do you want? That means तुम क्या चाहते हो. Answer is a glass of milk. That is एक गिलास दूध. What do you mean by that? एक गिलास दूध. A glass of milk. Milk is दूध. Glass. So एक गिलास दूध. तुम क्या लिख रहे हो? That is, what are you writing? That is, if you want to ask somebody that somebody is writing something, so you will ask, what are you writing? You want to ask the question, so you will say, तुम क्या लिख रहे हो? पत्र लिख रहा हूं. That is a letter. Patra is a letter. So you will say, I am writing a letter. That is, पत्र लिख रहा हूं. तुम क्या कहना चाहते हो? That means, what do you want to say? This can be the question, that what do you want to say about this matter? So you will say maybe any other answer also, but here I have written nothing. So I don't want to say anything. That is कुछ नहीं. That means nothing. What's your name? That is, you want to ask somebody his or her name, you will say, what's your name? That is, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? You will say that my name is Mary or any other name. So you will say like that, मेरा नाम Mary है. So you will say that my name is Mary or any other name, whatever you want to say. मेरा नाम Mary है. तुम्हारे पिताजी का क्या काम करते हैं? What's your father? When you want to ask somebody's profession, so you will say, what's your father? वे एक अध्यापक हैं. अध्यापक is what? Teacher. So if somebody is asking about the profession or occupation of your dad, so person can ask you, what's your father? That means, तुम्हारे पिताजी क्या काम करते हैं? अध्यापक is teacher, so वे एक अध्यापक हैं. That means he is a teacher. तुम्हारी माताजी क्या काम करती हैं? That is, what's your mother? Now you want to ask about the profession or occupation of your mom. So she is a wife. She is a housewife. So the wife is performing the work of at home. She is a housewife. She takes care of all the household activities and takes care of children. So she is a housewife. So that means वे घर का काम संभालती हैं. House is घर, काम activities. So that means she do all the work related to house. She manages all the work related to household activities. So when we are asking about the profession of mother, we can say she is a housewife. What are you doing these days? That means if you want to ask somebody that the other person is doing something or what is he doing at this time right now, so you will say I am studying. What will you say? I am studying. What have you seen in Agra? If you want to ask somebody that have you ever seen something there in Agra, the person has gone there. So if you want to ask something, what have you seen in Agra? That means आपने आगरा में क्या देखा? What have you seen in Agra? So you will say I have seen Taj Mahal in Agra. The answer could be like that. That is I have seen what? Taj Mahal in Agra. तो for हिंदी we use मैंने आगरा में ताज महल देखा. That is देखना is seen. आगरा में is in. That is I have seen Taj Mahal in Agra. दसवीं कक्षा उत्तीर्ण करके तुम क्या करोगे? Have you understood what is the question about? What do you intend doing after passing high school? So, what will you do after passing high school? You want to ask, what will the other person do after high school? After passing high school? In Hindi we can say 10वीं कक्षा उत्तीर्ण करके तुम क्या करोगे? So what will you do after passing high school? I will study further. That is मैं आगे पढ़ूंगा. पढ़ना is study, आगे that is further. So I will study further. That means मैं आगे पढ़ूंगा. आप कौन हैं? That is who are you? You can ask what? Who are you? That means आप कौन हैं? Who are you? कौन is who? आप is you. So who are you? That means आप कौन हैं? Person can say I am a businessman. Businessman is what? व्यापारी. So मैं एक व्यापारी हूँ. I am a businessman. Next question. Who are they? They means the third person. That is वे. Who कौन? वे कौन हैं? That is who are they. वे मेरे संबंधी हैं. That is संबंधी are relatives. So they are my relatives. Relatives is what? संबंधी. So they are my relatives. गीत किसने गाया? That is Who sang the song? That is, who sang this song? You can say Mohan did. Who sang this song? Mohan did. That is, Mohan has sung this song. So for Hindi we can use Geet. किसने गाया? Geet is song. Gana is sang. So Geet किसने गाया? Mohan did. Who will go to the market? Market is bazaar. कौन is who? Who will go to the market? Anybody can go, so you can say I will. That is, मैं जाऊंगा. बाजार में कौन जाएगा? That is, who will go to the market? Market is बाजार. So बाजार में कौन जाएगा? मैं जाऊंगा. That is, I will. इस काम को कौन कर सकता है? That is, who can do this work? You're just asking somebody that who can do this work? You can say इस काम को कौन कर सकता है? That is, Mary can. Whom does she want to meet? That is, उसे किससे मिलना है? He wants to meet his mother. Whom does she want to meet? He wants to meet his mother. उसे किससे मिलना है? मिलना इज मीटिंग. सो उसे किससे मिलना है? उसे अपनी माँ से मिलना है. माँ इज मदर. सो ही वॉन्ट्स टू मीट हिज मदर. Who is the owner of this house? Who is the owner of this house? That is, house is मकान, मालिक is owner. इस मकान का मालिक कौन है? My dad. That means मेरे पिताजी. That is, who is the owner of this house? मेरे पिताजी. That is my dad. क्या खबर है? That is, what's the news? So you can answer this by asking anything. What's the news? You can nothing. You can say nothing. कुछ नहीं. Or any other answer also you can answer. So this is about the conversation session where you can, any question can be asked and answer can be anything. It is not that it is fixed. Answer can be this one only. It all depend on the conversation, whatever you want to say. So this is all about the conversation. We will study more conversations in the next session so that you can learn them better and can learn how to converse in Hindi with other people and what could be the answer. You can learn the vocabulary, you can learn the way of speaking, you can learn the way of grammar also. You can these things keep you intact with all the Hindi language, and you can learn it better through these conversations. So that is all for this session by now. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. We learning.